Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Dr. Mardi MSc as Supervisor 1 and Miss Dr. Rida Prihatni SEAK MSc as Supervisor 2. My name is Talisha Alvini from the Economic Education Study Program at Concentration in Accounting Education, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. Today, I would like to present about thesis with the title, The Effect of Academic Self-Concept, Academic Interest, Parents' Academic Expectation, and Social Support on Academic Anxiety in 2019 Economic Education Students. The subject, Chapter 1, Background of Research, Research Question, Research Purpose, Chapter 2, Supporting Theory, Hypothesis Development, Chapter 3, Research Time and Place, Population and Sample, Technique Collection Data, Chapter 4, Description of Research Subject, Data Description, Discussion, Chapter 5, Conclusion, Recommendation for Future Research. Chapter 1, Background of Research. Based on the result of a survey of 79 countries in the 2018 PISA survey, Indonesian education was ranked 74. Meanwhile, based on the result of a survey conducted by U.S. News and World Report Buff Group and the Wharton School of University of Pennsylvania 2021, Indonesian education is ranked 54th, previously ranked 55th in 2020. According to KPAI, 73.2% of students experience difficulties in completing their assignment. Difficult assignment result in students having fewer hours to rest. This can affect anxiety disorders. In early 2020, the spread of the COVID-19 outbreak worsened the education system in Indonesia. As a result of COVID-19, the implementation of education was also affected, namely the government took various ways to keep teaching and learning activities running by creating an online learning system. This can lead to academic anxiety. Academic anxiety is related to feelings of anxiety about the dangers that will come from the environment of academic institutions. Research question. Is there an effect between academic self-concept on academic anxiety? 2. Is there an effect between academic interest on academic anxiety? 3. Is there an effect between parents' academic expectation on academic anxiety? 4. Is there an effect between social support on academic anxiety? 5. Is there an effect between academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support on academic anxiety? Research purpose. 1. For knowing is there is effect academic self-concept on academic anxiety. 2. For knowing is there is effect academic interest on academic anxiety. 3. For knowing is there is of effect parents' academic expectation on academic anxiety. 4. For knowing is there is effect social support on academic anxiety. 5. For knowing is there is effect academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support on academic anxiety. Chapter 2, Academic anxiety. Academic anxiety is anxiety triggered by lack of confidence in one's ability to cope with academic tasks. Based on the opinion of experts, indicators of academic anxiety are 1. Physical anxiety, 2. Cognitive anxiety, 3. Behavior anxiety. Academic self-concept. Academic self-concept is an individual's thinking about oneself that is obtained through the experience of his interaction with the social environment, which result in an assessment of himself in the academic field. Based on the opinion of experts, indicators of academic self-concept are 1. Confidence factor, 2. Competency factor, 3. Achievement factor. Academic interest. Academic interest is a strong, intensive, and profound sense of interest in individuals accompanied by feelings of pleasure which are a source of motivation to do what is desired of increased academic knowledge. Based on the opinion of experts, the indicators of academic interest that is 1. There is a feeling of pleasure to learn. 2. There is a sense of attention. 3. There is involvement in learning. Parents' academic expectation. Parents' academic expectation are the beliefs and expectations that parents have of their children's abilities in the field of education. Indicators of parents' academic expectation. Based on the opinion of experts, the indicators of parents' academic expectation that is 1. Personal hope. 2. Academic expectation. 3. Career expectation. Social support. Social support can be in the form of providing information, behavior assistance, or material obtained from close social relationships that can make individuals feel cared for, valued, and loved. Indicators of social support. Based on the opinion of expert, indicators of social support that is 1. Emotional support, 2. Award support, 3. Instrument support, 4. Information support. Hypothesis development. Academic self-concept has an effect on academic anxiety. Academic interest has an effect on academic anxiety. Parents' academic expectations have an effect on academic anxiety. Social support has an effect on academic anxiety. Academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support simultaneously influence academic anxiety. Chapter 3, Research Methods, Research Time. This research was conducted in November 2022. Research place, This research was conducted at the State University of Jakarta, Faculty of Economics, Economics Education Study Program, FORCE 2019. 3. Research approach and method. The approach to research is a quantitative approach, and the method used in this research is a survey method. 4. Population and sample. The population in this study were students of Economic Education, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta, 1st of 2019, and a sample of 87 students. Technique collection data. 1. Data collection technique. In this study were sort from primary data. 2. Primary data was obtained from students of the 2019 Economic Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. 3. The data collection technique used a questionnaire method. Chapter 4, Description Subject. 1. Research subject, student of the 2019 Economics Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. 2. Distribution of respondent by study program, total 87 and percentage 100%. Data description, descriptive statistic of academic anxiety variables. This means that there are students who have low academic anxiety and high academic anxiety. Descriptive statistic of academic self-concept variable. This means that there are students who have a low academic self-concept and a high academic self-concept. Descriptive statistic of academic interest variable. This means that there are students who have low academic interest and high academic interest. Descriptive statistic of parents' academic expectation variable. This means that there are students who have low parents' academic expectation and high parents' academic expectation. Descriptive statistic social support variable. This means that there are students who get low social support and high social support. Normality test. Calculation result of the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test performed with the SPSS program. It is concluded that the data is normally distributed. Multiple regression test, the form of the multiple regression equation. Linearity test variable x1 with y. It can be concluded that the variables between academic self-concept and academic anxiety are related linearly. Linearity test variable x2 with y. It can be concluded that the variable between academic interest and academic anxiety has a linear relationship. Linearity test variable x3 with y. It can be concluded that the variable between parents' academic expectation and academic anxiety has a linear relationship. Linearity test variable x4 with y. It can be concluded that the variable social support with academic anxiety has a linear relationship. Multicollinearity test. Based on the multicollinearity test, it can be said that multicollinearity does not occur. So it can be concluded that there is no multicorrelation heteroscedasticitas test. Based on data, it can be seen that the significance value of academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, social support. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is no heteroscedasticity on the regression model. Test T. 1. This means that academic self-concept has a negative and significant effect on academic anxiety. 2. This means that academic interest has a negative and significant effect on academic anxiety. 3. This means that parents' academic expectations have a positive and significant influence on academic anxiety. 4. This means that social support has a negative and significant effect on academic anxiety. Test F. It can be concluded that academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support simultaneously influence academic anxiety. Determination coefficient test. It can be concluded that the influence of academic anxiety on academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support is 21.3%. Chapter 5, Conclusion. Academic self-concept has a negative and significant effect on academic anxiety. Academic interest has a negative and significant effect on academic anxiety. Parents' academic expectations have a positive and significant effect on academic anxiety. Social support has a negative and significant effect on academic anxiety. Academic self-concept, academic interest, parents' academic expectation, and social support simultaneously influence academic anxiety. Recommendation for future research. 1. Subsequent research is able to overcome the limitation of current research so that it can improve research for the future. Researchers can collect data directly, namely filling out questionnaires when conducting research, so that respondents can know the variables that can affect academic anxiety. 3. Can multiply the variables that are factors that influence academic anxiety, namely the variables of self-efficacy, achievement motivation, self-regulated learning, and academic self-management. Thank you.